Hello, in this video I'm gonna compare voltage, amperage and wattage of the original charger from the box of LENOVO Tab P12 with a generic charger. Here is the original charger that can be found in the box of the tablet, and let's plug it in. You can see that I have already a cable plugged into this device that measures voltage, amperage and wattage. So let's plug the cable into the grid, and as we can see, it gets to around 9.3 volts, 1.3 amperes, and about 12 watts. And now let's replug the cable. Let's plug it into a generic charger. And as you can see, now it's different. It has lower voltage, lower amperage and lower wattage, and that's because the generic charger is worse than the original charger. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.